Welcome back to my channel Aero Auto Defense. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and support my channel for more amazing defense updates. Today, we bring you the latest full report on the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, USA, and its operational status in 2026. The B-2 Spirit, developed by Northrop Grumman, remains one of the most advanced and iconic stealth bombers in the world. Entering service in 1997, this flying wing aircraft has proven its unmatched capabilities in penetrating heavily defended airspace and delivering both nuclear and conventional strikes. Even after almost 3 decades of service, the B-2 continues to dominate due to continuous modernization programs by the U.S. Air Force. By 2026, the B-2 Spirit fleet is undergoing significant upgrades to ensure operational effectiveness until its eventual replacement by the upcoming B-21 Raider. The U.S. Air Force awarded Northrop Grumman a massive $7 billion contract to modernize the bomber. These upgrades include next-generation radar-absorbent materials, enhanced satellite communications systems for real-time data transfer, and the integration of Spirit Realm 1 SR1 software, which dramatically improves system response and interoperability by reducing software update cycles from 2 years to just a few months. The B-2 is also being equipped with the JASSM-ER long-range stealth missile, giving it the ability to strike strategic targets deep inside enemy territory without detection. Another critical enhancement is the introduction of the Radar-Aided Targeting System (RATS), which allows the bomber to maintain accuracy and effectiveness even in GPS-denied environments. This ensures the B-2 remains reliable in modern electronic warfare scenarios. Furthermore, communication security has been boosted with advanced crypto modernization, keeping the aircraft's data and mission systems secure against potential cyber threats. In terms of operations, the B-2 continues to serve as America's strategic deterrence backbone, capable of delivering nuclear payloads and precision conventional strikes anywhere in the world. Missions often exceed 40 hours, requiring extensive preparation for pilots to manage fatigue, nutrition, and concentration. The U.S. Air Force has introduced specialized pilot training programs and even modified dietary routines to ensure maximum alertness during long-duration flights. Despite the arrival of the B-21 Raider, which is currently in low-rate initial production and expected to enter service in the late 2020s, the B-2 remains fully operational. Around 19 to 20 B-2s are active in the U.S. Air Force inventory as of 2026, and they continue to play a central role in high-profile missions, including precision strikes against terrorist networks and adversary military infrastructure. The B-2 fleet will gradually be phased out by 2031-2032, but until then, it remains one of the most feared and respected aircraft in the world. The B-2 Spirit continues to symbolize American air dominance and cutting-edge stealth technology. With ongoing upgrades, advanced weapons integration, and unparalleled global reach, it remains a vital part of U.S. strategic power in 2026. If you want more updates on fighter jets, stealth bombers, and next-gen defense technology, subscribe now to Aero Auto Defense and stay tuned for upcoming videos.